Hello, Helen, your Wellbeing Advisor here. Now, I wanted to do a bit of a practical demonstration for you today on the use of pendulums. So pendulums are things that we sell on our website. They are generally made out of crystal, natural crystal, and they come in different types of crystal. This one is a chakra one because it has crystals that align to all the different chakras. This is one of our really special ones. So what do pendulums do? Pendulums are a tool that people use for something called dowsing. Now, dowsing is something that's been used for years. People used to try and find water through it and that kind of thing. In a holistic sense, people use dowsing sometimes in their healing practices, and sometimes they use it as kind of a guidance. So they can ask questions or receive some guidance from it. Now, the way that works, because it does sound a bit strange, granted, the way it works is that the crystal is, while you're holding it and asking for guidance, it's connecting to your higher self, because that's what you're kind of asking it to do, and that's what you're intending it to do. And that is going to give you some guidance that perhaps you're not receiving yourself, because you're overthinking something and you're trying to get a logical answer, and that kind of thing. So this is one of the things that people use pendulums for, and I just wanted to show you how to do it. So basically what you do is you hold your hand out straight and you hold the pendulum over the palm of your hand, and usually it will stay very still. Sometimes you can feel it tingle in the palm of your hand. Sometimes you can feel it's really still, like it's gone a bit like a dead weight. It's funny. And then what I will do, and I can do this mentally or verbally, mentally might be better depending on where you are, but you can ask it to show you which direction it will go in to answer yes. So I'm mentally asking it which direction to go in to answer yes. And as you can see, it's going anti-clockwise, which is usually the way it does always go for me to answer yes, but different people are different. Sometimes it might go backwards and forwards. And now I'm going to ask it to just stand still mentally. And then I'm going to ask it which direction it needs to go in to show me the answer no. And it's going clockwise direction. Now, I'm not consciously controlling that. I've got it literally between my finger and my thumb. I'm trying to hold it as loosely as I can. I don't like to add too much pressure because I do think, oh God, I might like somehow making it move either way. I have genuinely done this where in my mind, I think I know the answer and it will tell me a different answer. Sometimes it gives me the answer that A, I either want, or B, I believe is going to be the answer. But often it will give me a different answer. I have to give you like a kind of life warning on this. Don't use this to make really big life-changing decisions. It's fun and it's a bit of guidance, and sometimes it can just give you a little bit of reassurance in different areas of your life. So I use it, and we'll do it like we'll say, you know, who's going to win the certain football match, and we'll see if it gives you the right answer, and it often does. Not always, has been wrong on occasions, but it does give you guidance sometimes. And sometimes I find it's a bit like when you flip a coin for heads or tails. It can give you an answer which then inside makes you feel a certain way, and you know whether that's the answer you wanted or not, so it can help you really understand which of the two sort of things you wanted to be a yes or a no. Now, sometimes people use this in a healing sense as well. So if they were doing Reiki on someone, they may place it over different parts of the body, over the chakras, and again they will ask it to show, you know, is there an energy block in this area, or they may just place it over different chakras and it'll start to spin when it feels, you know, certain energy blocks or that kind of thing. So they are so pretty and they're so cool. Go and have a look on our website. We get free postage and packaging with everything. So yeah, go get a pendulum and have some fun.